This is a WTJX news brief. Fire broke out overnight at the Fort Milner Shopping Center on St. Thomas and has apparently engulfed a significant portion of that mall. Fort Milner, right across the parking lot from the Pizza Hut and Kentucky Fried Chicken restaurants and to the southeast of Banco Popular. A series of businesses, which included a barbershop and mini mart, sit in a building that is decades old. Executive Director of the Waste Management Authority was asked at a committee meeting about what he has planned for used tires and the disposal of them, if anything.
Yeah, what we have plans to address that. I know that Senator Francis has proposed a bill, legislation to help with tires, and we definitely appreciate that. We support that bill. In the meantime, we are processing waste tires from illegal dumping. So we're dealing with it now, and hopefully in the future, with that proposed legislation passing, along with our integrated solid waste management plan, we won't see the amount of illegal tires dumped.
The Department of Health announced that in recent weeks there's been increasing reports of false positive COVID-19 cases locally. A false positive is when someone who doesn't have coronavirus tests positive for it. Department of Health said 25% of nursing homes nationally have reported at least one false positive during screenings, and another health departments have also reported IDing additional false positives. Dr. Esther Ellis says we must still be cautious, even though the territory is open for business.
To ensure that transmission remains low, we need to be cautious. Although we are open for leisure travel, there are still restrictions in place to keep residents safe and visitors safe. Last week, we discussed some of the guidelines restaurant patrons should follow to stay safe. I will share that information again. Restaurants are now offering dine-in services, but you must follow the proper safety precautions. Although restaurants with bars are able to serve drinks, there is no ordering of drinks or drinking at the bar. Patrons must always wear a mask when entering the establishment, when ordering food and drinks, and when using the restroom, for example. The only time your mask should be removed in a restaurant is when you are eating or drinking. Some restaurants are exempt from the glass and silverware restrictions. Any restaurant exempt from this order should have an exemption sign posted. A list of exempt restaurants can be found at doh.vi.gov. With travelers pouring into the territory, it is critical that basic precautionary measures are taken by residents and visitors alike.
Lieutenant Governor Roach advises Medicare beneficiaries and persons newly eligible for Medicare that open enrollment period for Medicare Part D is October 15th through December 7th. Medicare beneficiaries are also able to join or drop their prescription drug plan by that scheduled December deadline. That's your WTJX News Brief. I'm Doug Harris.